In this video, I will guide you Excel formula for number series subtraction. To subtract number in a series, you have two main options depending on whether you want a decreasing balance. So if you have a starting number and want to subtract a sequence of numbers from it one by one, for example, place your starting total in cell A1 like this one. I have 1,000 number, and place the number you want to subtract in column B like this one. And then you need to enter the formula in C1 like this one. I'll delete it first. So you need to put the formula, put the equal signs, type dollar signs, which keeps the starting number fixed. So then type the column A and put the dollar again, type 1 minus sum. The sum ranges expand as you drag it. And now close the open the bracket and again put the dollar sign, and now column B dollar sign 1 colon and B 1 and close the bracket, hit enter, and now drag the fill handle to see the results. Make sure this formula is used to calculate a running balance or a remaining budget. It subtracts the cumulative total of values in column B from a fixed starting value in cell A1. So this part of the formula is an absolute reference. The dollar signs lock the reference so that even if you copy the formula to the other cells, it always points to cell A1. So this part of the formula is a mixed reference. The first part is locked and will not move. However, the second part is relative and will change as you drag the formula down. So I hope now you understand how you can use this Excel formula for number series for subtractions. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.